It's a kazoo! A kazoo! A kazoo! A kazoo! A kazoo! It is a kazoo that looks like an harmonica. But how to make it? Let me show you! To make your kazoo, you need 2 tone depressors, 2 small rubber bands, and 1 large rubber band, a piece of paper, and scissors. First, attach the large rubber band to 1 tone depressor. Then, get 2 small pieces of paper about this size and fold them. So that they are about as large as the tone depressor. Ready? Now, let's attach the 2 tone depressors together, but keep them separated by putting the paper you just folded at the extremities between the 2 sticks. To attach them together, we will use rubber band. That's 1. And that's 2. Now, how to play it? It is not that easy. You need a little bit of practice. First, put your lips against your teeth, and then press your teeth against the 2 sides of the kazoo. Make sure the rubber band is on top. Then, try to blow air through the kazoo. The secret is to try pressing more or less with your teeth until you find the right spot. You can breathe in or breathe out. Now, make a kazoo, practice, and create your own tunes. And how do you